Good morning. I'm Roxana, and I'm sitting outside on a beautiful sunny summer day. I love being outside and I love connecting to the earth. This video is giving you permission to get outside and enjoy nature too. As an adult, when was the last time you gave yourself permission to sit outside, to lay on the grass, to roll on the grass and just smile and have fun and laugh? Because this beautiful earth helps us to smile and to laugh and to be in the moment and laugh the way we did when we were kids. As children, we love to roll on the grass and play on the grass. Why did we forget when we became adults? Why did we outgrow playing on the grass? How did it feel to play on the earth? How did it feel to be a kid again? How did it feel to have fun and to laugh and to play? We need more laughter, more play, more joy in our lives. Is rolling on the grass, sitting on the grass, being outside more, is this part of your finding your inner laughter, your inner child, and giving them permission to play and to relax and to love life again?
You can see the morning dew is stuck to me.
I enjoyed that because I got covered with morning dew, and I love the feel of the earth and the grass, and I love the smells and the sounds and the sights and the touch, and allowing it all to be part of my being my best self. Have fun playing.